Welcome back. Have a great time. This is my visit during last day of the 2019 season. It's a bit cloudy day, but really nice colors all over the New Brunswick, Canada. Thanks to Public Libraries NB, I got free pass to enter. I check in just 2 hours before I tide time. Visitors get to enjoy at the last walk in the beach. Looks like some serious incident happened with birds and the humans getting involved. We'll see. It's rescue time before the high tide. Look at the yellow color board on the top. Little more time left. It's time to be super alert. Let's see the full drama within 20 seconds. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it and enjoy your life. Don't forget it. And it's closed for the season, but it will open again in 2020. Go visit, enjoy.